Betano will have to put it up. Betano lets it fly. It's good.
Aloha Betano, 3.
Betano now up to 16. Dumps it off to Villanueva.
Villanueva.
And Betano, new season high for her now, up to 16.
So it's definitely not just Christine Cayabyab. That's right, a lot of reliable scorers here for Coach DA, and that's when you know that the play is definitely effective.
Anastacio is the lone starter right now for LaSalle. That's too easy for Cayabyab now.
Bench and look for instructions from the coaches. It seems that they they already have the game plan in their hands. Like, if this happens, this is how we will react.
But first, let's see the last basket by NU Cayabyab, who now has 20 points to lead all scorers. And the passing of NU in full display. Villanueva continues to shoot and continues to light it up.
Asking for another one.
And she's mouthing the words, akin na, but Solis says, ako naman.
Parang good.
And first it was Marga Villanueva. And then on the other trip, it is Solis.
Angel Zurada.
Next Sunday. Pingol put 2 more points to her name.
Parang silent killer eh, na she's just, you know, grabbing those rebounds, getting those easy shots.
Go still has 17 points. Make that 19, which is no joke.
He came from the free throw line with 10 points.
And 2 more points for
Ateneo next weekend as we see Kyla Go powering her way through over NU players. And of course, an offensive rebound here by Kyla Go again.
Have to heave it up. Instead, it is Kamba. Back rims it. And Tunga is there. Tunga had that 9-1.
That's right. NU leading by as much as 30. Regardless if you're up against UST or LaSalle or UE, they just play their game.
And Torada gets the seal and says, let's not shoot anymore. And that will do it. A 30-point victory by the defending champions. And as the final buzzer sounds, NU has secured a seat in the Final Four. 11 straight Final Four appearances for the NU Lady Bulldogs.